Dear students, welcome to the 26th lecture of 8051 timer/counter. So we are in embedded C programming. This is the next example. A switch is connected to pin P1.2. Write an 8051 C program to monitor that switch, where the switch is connected to P1.2 and we need to monitor that switch and create the following frequencies on pin 1.7. Okay, there is a switch which is connected to P1.2, so we should maintain that, we should monitor that switch in such a way that if that switch is equal to 0, a square wave of 500 Hertz is to be generated on P1.7. Please try to get the question. If a switch is equal to 1, a square wave of 750 Hertz is to be generated on P1.7, taking care that we should use timer 0, mode 1 for both of them. First I will show how to calculate the values of the timer registers. Okay, then we will go with the program. It's very simple. Okay, once again I will tell about the question. There is a switch at P1.2. When switch becomes equal to 0, you should get 500 Hertz of square wave. When switch becomes equal to 1, you should get the 750 Hertz of square wave on P1.7. This is the question. We need to take out T0 M1 in order to get the value of TL0 TH0. Okay. Only I will show about how to calculate the value of timer registers with respect to 500 Hertz. Similarly, you can do with the 750 Hertz. Okay. So first and foremost, the frequency that they have given is to be divided by 1, that is T. The total T will get 2000 microseconds. So for one pulse you will get 2000 microseconds divided by 2, you will get 1000 microseconds. So this 1000 microseconds should be divided by the timer frequency, that is machine cycle. The time taken for one machine cycle is 1.085 microseconds. You will get 921. So this 921, so this much amount I should get, right? When you multiply, when you subtract the total, the mode of operation is M1, so 65,535 plus 1, that is 65,536. What amount of value you should subtract in order to get 921, we should get it. Okay, so this much amount of value, this much amount of cycles that we need to subtract in order to get this 921. So this value is to be taken here, 64615, that is decimal, convert that into the hexa value. So FC67. So these are the two values that I will get. So 67 is a TL0, FC is a TH0. So these are the two values in order to get the frequency of 500 Hertz. Similarly, we can do with the 750 Hertz. So wherever 500 come across, put 750 and take the procedure in the same fashion. You will get I hope you will get 9AFD. Just to calculate, you will get. Okay. Now how to start with the program? So hash include reg51.h s bit P1.5 and the switch is connected to P1.7. So call the initialize the subroutine. Next to void main function. So make switch is equal to 1 so that it is acting as an input pin. Okay, that is P1.7. Okay. So while my bit is equal to negation of my bit is to be done. If switch is equal to 0, T0 M0 delay of 0 is called. Delay of 0 is called. So delay of 0 here if it will come. So void T0 M1 delay, unsigned char I am using C. The value of C is equal to 0, right? So T mod value is to be given here, right? If C is equal to 0, then this particular value is to be executed, that is with respect to 500 Hertz. Okay, then it will go with the TR0 is equal to 1, check for the TF0 and shut down TR0, TF0, and it will come back to this else. Okay, if switch is equal to 0, 500 Hertz statements will be get executed. If switch will become equal to 1, then 750 Hertz will be get executed. So T0 M1 delay. So again it will come to the delay function, right? If and it will calculate the value of tmod. Then if switch is equal to 0, right now switch is equal to 1, it will fail this to execute. It will come out of if and it will execute the statements of else. So these two are executed. These two statements are with respect to 750 Hz. Then it will start the timer, check for timer flag. If it is equal to 1, then stop the timer and make TF flag is equal to 0, and this process will be get executed repeatedly. So you just go through this problem once again. If you have any questions, you please feel free to comment on the box. I will try to explain. Okay, thank you.